Let's begin section 6.2. A production worker is paid 58 cents for assembling one ceiling lamp, $1.23 for assembling a ceiling fan, and 86 cents for assembling one box fan. 1 week, Samantha assembled 220 ceiling lamps, 318 ceiling fans, and 174 box fans. Find the worker's gross earnings. We want to start by finding the amount paid for all the ceiling lamps that are assembled. Then we're going to move on to the ceiling fans. Then we're last going to find the amount that the worker gets paid for assembling a box fan. For the ceiling lamps, it said that they get paid 58 cents for each one. So we would multiply that by the 220 ceiling lamps that were assembled. Multiplying those together, I get $127.60. Using that same format for the ceiling fans, one ceiling fan, the person earns $1.23, and we're going to multiply that by the 318 ceiling fans. And that gives us a total of $391.14. For box fans, they earn 86 cents for each one, and there are 174 box fans that were assembled. That gives us a total of $149.64. To find the worker's gross earnings, we're going to add all of these together. And when we add them all together, I get a total of $668.38. Moving on to question 2, we have a worker that gets paid per avocado that they pick. So if they pick 1 to 500 avocados, they get 5 cents each. For the avocados from 501 to 700 avocados, 7 cents each. And for avocados above the 700, they get 9 cents each. Now keep in mind, let me give you a scenario. If someone picks 500 avocados, they're all paid at 5 cents each. However, if their neighbor picks 502 avocados, the first 500 are still paid 5 cents each. It's just the 2 that go in the next category that get paid 7 cents each. So think about this as category 1, category 2, and then third, category 3. Okay. So if Roger Wilson picks 693 avocados, he's going to fall in 2 categories. The first 500 avocados get paid at 5 cents each. So in category 1, we're going to have 500 avocados times 5 cents, or a total of $25 to pick those 500 avocados. Category 2 is going to be the avocados from 501 to the 693 avocados. How we do that is we take the 693 and we subtract the 500 that we already were paid for. So in that case, 693 minus 500 is there's going to be, in this category, 193 avocados that we need to be paid at 7 cents each. So in category 2, we're going to have 193 avocados times 7 cents each. And that gives us $13.51. Our total is then going to be $38.51 to pick 693 avocados. Let's do one more question before we take a break. A guaranteed weekly or hourly work. A cabinet door finisher is paid $14.70 per hour, and this is key information for an 8-hour day, or 95 cents per cabinet door finished, whichever is higher. Find the gross earnings for a worker, and then they tell us how many doors were finished on Monday, Tuesday, for the rest of the week. Because they get paid either an 8-hour workday or paid by each door that's finished, let's make a little bit of chart to find out how much their hourly pay would be for the day and compare that to paid by the door or paid by the piece. On Monday, let me finish drawing my chart and then we'll work on each one. Tuesday, I'm going to go all the way to Friday. So on Monday, this person can either be paid $14.70 times an 8-hour workday, and that gives us $117.60 for Monday. Or if this person's paid by the door, they're going to be paid 95 cents per door times on Monday there were 106 doors, which gives us a total of $100.70. Right away, you have to decide which one you want to get paid. Well, if you were this person, you would want to get paid the higher amount. Okay? And then we go with that same idea for Tuesday. They can either be paid $14.70 for an 8-hour workday, which is still $117.60, or if they're paid by the door, it's 95 cents per door, and on Tuesday they work on 127 doors. And that's a total of $120.65. On Tuesday, it's actually better for that person to be paid by each individual door painted. On Wednesday, paid by the hour is the same calculation, $14.70 times 8 hours in a day. On Wednesday, paid by the door, there are 152 doors on Wednesday, which would be $144.40. And that is the higher amount for Wednesday. We're going to repeat that 2 more times for Thursday and Friday. Thursday would be the $14.70 per hour times 8 hours, or the 95 cents per door, and on Thursday it tells us there were 120 doors, for a total of $114. On Thursday, comparing the amounts, being paid by the hour is the higher amount. On Friday, we can compare being paid by the hour and being paid by the door. There were 138 doors finished on Friday, which is a total of $131.10. And on Friday, getting paid by each door is the better amount. In the end, we're going to go back and add up all of those that we highlighted. We're going to add up Monday's higher amount, Tuesday's higher amount, Wednesday's higher amount, Thursday's higher amount, and Friday's higher amount. So our weekly pay, when we add up all of those, $117.60, $120.65, $144.40, plus $117.60 plus $131.10, I get a total of $631.35.